Model, 2020 Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Edition S 1.5 CDTI needs head gasket no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 88,909. MOT, the 13th of January 2026. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 keys, cruise control, tow bar, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,